Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Sun.
How are you today?
I'm good.
How old are you? How old are you? What color do you like?
I like pink.
Mhm. Is it a teddy?
No, it isn't.
Is it a notebook?
It is a.
Is it a plane?
It is a.
Is it a desk?
No, it isn't.
What's this?
Not this.
What's the color?
Last.
What's this? What's this? What color is it? What's this?
Apple.
What color is it?
Green.
What's this?
Dash.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What's this?
Horn.
What color is it?
Blue.
What's this?
Race.
What color is it?
Race.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.